Hello, everybody. Welcome to the complete guide to non-fungible token development and its cost. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to understand NFTs, why they matter, how to start NFT development, and the cost of non-fungible token development. So let's dive in. First things first, what exactly are NFTs? Well, NFTs are unique digital assets that are built on blockchain technology. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are interchangeable, each NFT has its distinct value and properties. They can represent anything from art, music, videos, virtual real estate, collectibles, etc. Now, you may wonder why NFT development is significant. NFTs have revolutionized the way we think about ownership and value in the digital world. They provide creators new ways to monetize their work, establish provenance, and engage with fans and collectors. NFT development opens up a new realm of possibilities for artists, content creators, and entrepreneurs to tap into a global market and showcase their unique creations. So, how does one embark on NFT development? Let's break it down. First, you must choose a blockchain platform like Ethereum, widely used for NFT development. Next, you define the attributes and metadata of your digital asset. This can include details like the title, description, image, and any additional information that makes your NFT special. Once you've defined your NFT, it's time to mint it. Minting involves creating an intelligent contract representing your asset as a unique token on the blockchain. This process ensures the scarcity and authenticity of your NFT. With your NFT minted, you can list it on NFT marketplaces, where collectors can discover, buy, and sell your digital creations. NFT use cases. NFT development has already shown its potential through various exciting use cases. We've seen virtual real estate bought and sold, digital art fetching millions of dollars at auctions, and even moments from sports games turning into collectible NFTs. The possibilities are endless, and NFT development is at the forefront of this digital revolution. You'll need some essential tools to embark on your NFT development journey. Blockchain networks like Ethereum provide the foundation, while NFT marketplaces such as OpenSea and Rarible offer platforms to list and trade your NFTs. Wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet enable secure storage and transactions, and decentralized storage solutions like IPFS ensure the availability and permanence of your NFT data. Next, let's explore the cost of NFT development everyone's eager to uncover. The cost of developing an NFT, non-fungible token, platform can vary significantly based on several factors. Platform complexity. Simple NFT projects may involve lower costs, while more complex platforms with advanced features, integrations, and custom functionalities will be more expensive. Development team. Costs can vary based on the development team's location, expertise, and hourly rates. Teams with specialized experience in blockchain, smart contracts, and NFT standards may charge higher rates. Features and functionalities. Customization, security measures, marketplace integrations, smart contract development, user authentication, wallet integration, and artwork storage solutions all contribute to costs. Blockchain. Network. The choice of blockchain, Ethereum, Binance, Smart Chain, Flow, etc., impacts development costs due to network fees, ecosystem maturity, and complexity. Legal and compliance. Ensuring legal compliance, licensing, and intellectual property rights might incur additional costs. Maintenance and upgrades. Continuous maintenance, updates, and security enhancements are ongoing costs post-development. Given these variables, a basic NFT project could start from a few $1,000s, while more intricate and customized platforms might require tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars or more. Collaborating with NFT development experts. Partnering with experienced NFT development companies like RichestSoft can streamline your journey if you're looking for expert guidance and support. They possess the necessary expertise in blockchain technology, NFT-specific development services, and a track record of successful projects. Choosing the right development partner can accelerate your NFT development and help you navigate the complexities of this emerging field. NFT developers' hourly cost. And that wraps up our complete guide to non-fungible token development. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into the world of NFTs and how you can get started with NFT development. Remember, NFTs are not just digital assets. They represent a new era of ownership, creativity, and possibilities. So, unleash your imagination, explore the NFT landscape, and embark on your NFT development journey today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more informative content.